Hello, thank you for taking the time to review my work. Have you ever found yourself standing in a long queue, noticing six cubicles but only two staff members on duty? Worst case scenario, you're in a rush and you instantly know deep down that this is going to be a nightmare. Actually, it might come as a surprise to hear that the head count isn't always the problem. When those two members of staff are equipped with the right tools, trained to handle unexpected events, they remain cool, calm, and highly responsive to clients. So, from real world experience, I know how to help businesses reach that level. With two empowered team members can actually process much more work effectively than a fully staffed but poorly trained and equipped team of six. That's just a simple example of what is possible when the correct systems and processes are in place. And that is exactly what I'm here to help you achieve. Together, we can streamline your business processes to such an extent that your staff will confidently deal and handle customers in a wide variety of circumstances. They just need to have the right tools to do that. Feel free to have a look at the five options available and let me know if you have any questions. Oh, two quick notes before you go. First, you can always custom build a package tailored specifically to your operational needs. Second, because I'm currently expanding my portfolio, all my rates are temporarily reduced. So it's a great time to take fully advantage of this value. Thank you so much for watching.